When fishing on Oahe in the summertime, your rod choice really is pretty basic. So for trolling today, we've been using the 7'6" Fenwick Elite Walleye rod. And the reason's pretty simple. It's really just got a nice, moderate, fast taper to it. Enough power to be able to pull crankbaits out of the trees when they touch, and then also enough power to have a big, heavy bottom bouncer on the other side of things. So really kind of a standardized rod. As far as line on my setup, on a Missouri River reservoir, I go for my standard 10-pound Berkley Trilene XT, which is the line that the Precision Trolling Data app uses to get your dive curves, and I step it up to a 12-pound. Just a little bit more abrasion resistance, a little thicker, and it's going to save you a few flicker minnows in the future. As far as casting, I'll be honest, I used to use a lot heavier rod for casting glide baits, and a lot of that is because the lure was so heavy. But I've shifted to more of a 7-foot medium moderate rod. And the reason for that is you can hook a big walleye on any rod, but the important part is landing that fish. And glide baits like this are kind of notorious for losing fish on them, but I've learned that if you start using more of a moderate rod, something that'll really flex through the midsection of it, it'll allow you to absorb those big runs and land a lot more fish. So the next time you're out on Lake Oahe, make sure you bring with a couple key rods.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.